Hi, Ashley. I'm hoping you can help me with a little problem I'm having. I can always call Canvas too, but I thought I'd send you this little video in case you can figure it out easily. So, I have two sections of English 100. They're the same class except for one is hybrid and one is fully face-to-face. This is the hybrid one. And I might be having problems because I'm copying over modules every week. I'm building the module in here and copying it over here, and I might be running into problems. I have run into a few problems that way, but right now this is my problem. Essay 2 was handed in on February 26th, and I went to look for it in the grade book. It's called Final Version of Essay 2. And it's unpublished, yet as you see it appears here on my to-do list, and I don't know why. It's here in my module, my week 7 module. It's right here. It's here in my to-do list, but in the grade book it's unpublished, and I can't figure out why. So anyway, I'll just put this on the screen to end with. This is the section with the problem, 1506. Thank you.